Welcome back to our YouTube channel Kanak Infosystems LLP. Today we are discussing about map method inside the FlatList. This is our basic class. In this class we have a array. In this array we have some data like name, total runs, and a test match array. In this array, total match, runs, high score, century and half centuries. I have just created a flat list. Render list is a function. This is our simulator. I have just created a modal which is open in this button. When I click on this button, test match or one runs, one modal is open. This is this modal. In this modal, the player name, all data dot player name. What is all data? All data is all data is the is a state. When I click on the test matches as the player name, so item is saved in this state, which is the all data dot name. All data name is the Smith player, that is player's player name. And similarly, most run, best score, and 150s. And here is the map function, map method. All data, that is our state dot test match. Test match is the array which is stored in the all data state dot map. And a dot runs is basically test match dot runs, high score, and century and half centuries, like that. A dot runs, a dot half century, and a dot century underscore half. That is the map method. So thank you guys.